In this question, we are given that fx is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. And you have to show that fx times fy is equal to fx plus y. So let us calculate the LHS and see whether it is equal to RHS. So fx times fy is equal to, so the cx means cos x, sx means sin x. So fx is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 times f of y, that is in the place of x, just need to put y. Cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So fx times fy, you know how to multiply the matrices. So 3 by 3 matrix times 3 by 3 matrix, you're going to get a 3 by 3 matrix, and the elements are first row times first column. So the first row is first row times first column, first row times second column, first row times third column. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, nothing but cos of x plus y. First row into second column, cos x sin y minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y is minus of sin x plus y. First row into third column, 0, 0, 0. So you get 0 here. Now, second row times first column, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is sin of x plus y. Minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y is cos of x plus y. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is again equal to 0. Next, third row times first column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1. So fx times fy clearly is equal to f of x plus y. So if you substitute x plus y in the place of x, you're exactly getting this matrix.